Good afternoon, YouTube. Here's Nick from Meticulous Motors again, and here for sale today we have this beautiful 2011 Toyota Corolla S model. Four-door sedan, S model being the top sport level trim for the vehicle. Comes with alloy wheels, tinted windows, one of the most reliable four-cylinder engines on the planet, the 1.8 VVTI dual overhead cam motor. Nice clean and clear headlights on it. Clean exterior, clean interior. Comes with power windows, locks, mirrors. Smoke and pet-free cloth interior. Aftermarket floor mats, dual stage compartment glove box, couple of wiring for the large aftermarket stereo here. So Bluetooth, rear backup camera, auxiliary connectivity, standard AC controls, automatic transmission, keyless entry, dual cup holders. Up top we got standard vanity mirrors and standard map lights. In the back we have a nice spacious back seat. And it comes with split fold 60/40 rear seats as well as a rear cup holder. So you can see that OEM body kit at the bottom of the vehicle. They call that the under chin spoilers. But those are the pull tabs for the split fold seats. Rear backup camera. S model with the spoiler. And paint is all in really good condition. Front rear bumpers have been repainted. Slight color difference there, but it's hard to match this silver and Florida heat. The sun definitely fades out these vehicles. It fires right up. Got 137,000 original miles. Cruise control, volume controls, headlights, fog lights, interval front wipers. And give the radio a second to come online there. Bunch of features in it. But it sounds good. AC's ice cold. That original Toyota windshield. Just one little chip over here. But that's it. Only warning light on the dash is a tire pressure monitoring system light. But these are the best cars out there on the used car market. I mean, if you're looking for something that's fuel efficient, safe to drive, and needs virtually no maintenance except for just changing the oil, this is definitely it. So if you're looking for a nice, reliable car, look no further than this beautiful 2011 Toyota Corolla S. You can find this Toyota exclusively on our website, meticulousmotorsinc.com. Please rate and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like or comment on any of our videos because your feedback is much appreciated. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video today, and we will see you next time.